this vlog, and I am
Pasensya na sa studying na sinabi.
Welcome back to our challenge. So for today's video, ang gagawin natin na challenge ay Silly Simon CN. And ang magsasabi po ay nagbibideo. Siya po si Leonis Cantong Surot. Yes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, start.
Silly Simon says, jump. Jump.
Oh my gosh, you're out. Okay, meron pa siyang 2 half na puso. Okay.
Dance. Silly Simon says, sit. Sailor. Jump. Simon says, jump. Run. Silly Simon says, run. Jump.
Silly Simon says, run.
Silly Simon says, walk. Ay, lakad. Lakad.
Silly Simon says, sit.
And
Silly Simon says, sit.
Silly Simon says, studying. Silly Simon says, siin. Siin. So, may na-out na dito, guys.
Sino po yan?
Siin niya.
Okay, you have a 2 half of hearts now. Meron ka na niyo ko, please. Gabayin niyo siya, guys. 3 heart na pa. Okay, next, challenge number 3.
Silly Simon says, sit in.
Sit in.
Silly Simon says,
Run.
studying.
I'm studying.
Silly Simon says, sen.
Sit.
Sin.
Silly Simon says,
Run.
run. Run.